In this video, you are going to learn how you can design this kind of Canva template. For example, this Canva template you can convert into WordPress free of course. This is not an image, this is a Canva template, this design which is converted into Elementor. So how you can do that, I will provide you step-by-step guide, including custom font size, including all the things that I are pairing, including header, footer and button, everything that I will go to I will like to tell you in this video. So please subscribe my channel and keep watching this video. For converting any Canva design into Elementor, first of all we need two plugins. First is Elementor and second is Elementor Pro. If you want to install these plugins, you just need to go to add new, then search here Elementor. After searching, you will see this kind of plugin, Elementor website page builder. So you just need to click on install just like that and just click on activate. So I have already installed and activated. Second plugin is Elementor Pro. So if you want to download, you can purchase it from ThemeForest, or you can also download it free of cost from vidon.com. So I will provide the link so you can download it. So that's two things that you need to make sure. Now we go to make our design possible and convert our Canva design into WordPress. So first of all, I will let you know some important things. If there are some things or some images that you want to download, you just need to click on the image or setting thing that you want to export. For example, I need this image, so I will just click here and download selection. So the selection will be downloaded into my PC. So I have already downloaded these images and this image as well as this image into my PC. So now I will just go to pages and I would like to create a page for my this design. So because I am creating it from scratch, so I would like to create a new page. So I will just click on add new and I will create a new page for my Canva design, so for showing you. So I can use my existing page as well as, but for now I will use this page or a new page for you. So I will say Canva design or anything I can write. So I will say Canva, just click on publish. Now I will just click here and click on edit with Elementor. So Elementor editor will be appear in front of us, and now you can see. Now I would like to click here settings, and on the page layout I would like to select Elementor canvas. It will disappear everything, every extra thing from the page, so a blank page will be appear. First of all, we need a row. I will like to add a row, and second thing, you can see here is a background. So I would like to click here, and in the background I would like to select this background and copy this background color from this, and I would like to add here in the row and style, and just in the background I would like to add this background here. Now the second thing is we have a logo here and a list of items here. So I would like to add my logo as well as the list of items. So I would like to add a inner section, and in the inner section we need three columns, one for logo, second for these items, and third for this button. So same like that, I would like to add 3 columns. Also I would like to add a new column. So here are 3 columns. So for a logo we need a small icon, column, and for button we also need a small. Now I go here, and in the images I will just drag and drop, and I would like to add my logo here, and I will just upload the logo because I have already downloaded these files from Canva. So here is the logo. I will just upload this and insert it. Now you can see logo is here. Now the second thing I need is to add these items. So for adding these I will add a list of items. So I will search here list, and here you can see list of items, and just drag and drop and just click on this icon. So it will list out items like that. And first item is courses, pricing, about, and contact. So first is courses. We don't need this icon, so just delete this, and I would like to delete all this and just copy that. And second one is pricing, about, and contact. So I would like to add pricing, and third one is about, and fourth one is contact. Fourth one is contact. Now is contact. Now we have added 4 items, and these are also 4. If you just go there and in the style, I would like to add into right side because these are on right side. So now align is right, and just click on text, and in the text color I would like to select the white color. Now I click here and see which font family is here. So TT was new, so I will search if this font family is available there. So if it's not available, we need to download it and upload it into Canva. So now TTFIRS, no, the TTFIRS is not available. So I will go to the Google and I will search TTFIRS. The font family is new. Now this is font available, and I would like to download this free of course. Now we have downloaded this zip file, so I will just go to open folder and let's see where is available. Now you can see this is available here, so I will just minimize it and keep this here, and I will go to my dashboard, and in the dashboard we can upload the font family into the Elementor. So let's go to dashboard and click on Elementor, and in Elementor you can see is custom fonts, and here in the custom fonts you just need to click on add new, and in the add new you just need to add a font family name. For example, I will say TT new and new. So this is the font family name, and add font, and here is the WOF file, BF file, TTF file, OOF file. So I will add these files, and before uploading these files I will just export this folder, and here you can see TT, and there are TT files. Now I will click on publish. Now font family is published, and if I refresh here, I will update this and I will refresh it, and this font family will be available there. Now you can see, just click here and I will just go to styles, and in the text I will search for TT new, and here TT you can see TT new is available. Now it's appearing here. So this is how you can add the font family, and in the list I would like to add more spacing, for example like that. So here are some spacing here. Now I would like to add a new button, and in the button I will just search and drag and drop this button here. Now you can see, click here. So in the stead of click here we have written sign up, and here I would like to add sign up, and in the sign up I would like to add some of styles, and in the styles if you see the background of this button, so here is the background, and I will just copy this color for background and go back for the background, and in the background I would like to add this background. Now you can see this is a background, and now we need to add some border radius. So for border radius I would like to add 50. So here you can see 50 is added into the border radius. So now I will go to typography and font size. I think we should add 16 and 15 is more, and if you go there and see the font family, and the font family like to see which font family is, this is also new, and new I will just TT search for TT new. Now the font family is changed for this as well as. Now I would like to make it 13. Now you can see it's bit less, it's 14. So 14 is looking good. Now if you go there, you can see this is how, and this is how. Now I would like to add here, just click on this and make it horizontal align, vertical align middle, and as well as button should be vertical align middle. So in that way your contents will be vertically aligned middle, so alignment will not be disturbed. So if I click on publish, and if you click on preview, you can preview the changes into new tabs. Now you can see these are I have added this header now, and here you can see this is how. Now if I add to want more spacing, for example button is closer, so I will like to add a margin on left side. So left side margin should be 20. No, button is no better, right? Now we have added this header. Now if I want to add this section, so this is very easily we can do. For example, I will add to this row. In the row you can see there is the same background, but there is some colors. So now I have added a background image, and in the background image I would like to add a classic background and upload the background image. I have already downloaded this background image, and I would like to upload this. And here yes, here you can see this is a background image for this section because there is a gradient into the section. So now I will add this is as a background. So now it will not appear full, but it will appear later. Now if you see there, this is a text, and just copy that, and here I would like to add a new column because we need 2 columns. And here I will just add heading, and in the heading I will just copy and paste this. After pasting that, I would like to see the font color, and here I will copy this font color and paste it into the styles and colors, and here you can see color has been added. Now the color is changed. Now I would like to see which font family is using here. Now if I see a new machine, so this is new machine. So let's see if new machine is available here. New machine is not available, so I will download this from my Google. So I will say search for new machine ultra bold, new machine ultra bold. Just like that, we added font family in previous steps. Like that, we will add the font family, and I'm pausing this video and uploading this font into dashboards. Second font family is also uploaded there. So now if I update it and refresh it and search for a new ultra bold, so this font family will also available there. So now I'm refreshing the browser, so let's see is it uploaded or not. So here I just click here and styles, and in the font family I will like to search here new. Here you can see new ultra bold is available here. Now the second step is the font weight is more, and I will like to make it 400, and font size I would like to add 48 pixels. Now, and if you see there there is a bit line height difference. So in the line height I would like to add some more line height. Here you can see line height. Now if you see there, these are in 3 lines, and I would like to add like that. And here you can see mobile and learn website and mobile apps, like that. Now if you see there there is a bit difference above than above that area. So if you want to add this space, so here if you search here for spacer, and here is spacer, and just add this. And if you want to increase or decrease spacing, you can do that. Now I am adding this space bit. I would like to add later, but for now we are going to add some more things in that. If I click here and I just add an image, and in the image I would like to add the mobile image that I have already downloaded, and I would like to add this image. So here is a transparent image that we have already downloaded. So I am uploading this image, and here insert. Now you can see this image is here. Now if you see there, and there is a image is a bit cut because this is not full. Now don't worry about that. If you click here and in the settings you see margin, and in the margin bottom I would like to add 30, and 30 should be minus. And if you add minus, you can see this is now bit below than in the area. So this is how you can add this is as a here. So if I get to there and I am adding a new row, and this row should be background should be white. So here in the background I would like to add background color is white, and here you can see background color is white. Now our image is now thinner. So if I add more spacing here, and I would like to add a spacer here to add spacing here. So sorry, this is separator. I would like to add a spacer. So here is a spacer and here is a spacer, and I would like to add this spacer a bit more. And you can see this is very high in the image, so I would like to add more, 50 for example. Now you can see 50 or 100 or 70, we can do that, but it depends upon. Now you can see this is now there. If you go there, and here you can see there is a bit space above the image, so I would like to add this space, and here like that I would like to add this spacer here and duplicate that, and here you can see I would like to add a spacing here. Now you can see spacing is added, but there we need to more spacing. Now I will like to add more spacing here, and here you can see this is like that. Now we have image and this text. Now you can see this is another section, so this is very easy. Now I will go here, and in that I will slide to inner section here. In the inner section, I would like to delete this one column, because we just need one column. And here if you see there, this is a section with one stars and one image and one box. So if I go there and search for testimonial, and here you can see there is a testimonials section, so I would like to add this. And here is an image, position, styles. There are a lot of styles, image, title, and so on. So we can add these one by one, and inside top alignment you can add testimonial and title like that. If you want to add a testimonial slider, just like sliding items from your testimonials, so if you want to testimonial crucial, so you can like that. If you want to add reviews, you can do like that. So for example, this one inside additional reviews, for example item 1, and the rating is for example 5, and here you can see these are ratings and so on. So in that case, in our case, we have rating and text and image. So we need a rating, text, and image. For example, now we have three things. First thing is image. So second thing is, I have already downloaded this image, so I would like to style it just like that, and we don't need all the styles, but one image. So now in the username, because we need top 5 stars on top, so here is the title and here is the 5 stars. So now 5 stars are there. Now 5 stars are above, and next is our this we need this text, and in the review I will just add this text. Now you can see this text is there, and we don't need this text as well as this image, we don't need that. And in the image I would like to add this girl image into left sidebar, because we are going to style it, and here you can see this image is going to be there. Now the image is there, but this image is circled. Now we need to make it style, and in the style you can see background color, border radius, and so on. So here is the slider and header image. So here you can see image size, border radius should be 5. So you can see this image have border radius 2. I would like to add 2. Now you can see 5 stars and border radius is 2. If you go there, and in the slides, if you go to the background in the slides, you I was selecting rock background. Now you can see this one is the background, and now if you see there, this is also this like that. And here I would like to add as a white, and this is how it works. Now if you go there and see this text is color is white, so I would like to add username text. For example, I was added text and rating, icon, navigation, and text name color is white, and this title color is also white. Now you can see this is now white. So now we need to make some of styling, for example size. And if you click here in the intersection and just go to margin, and in the margin I would like to add left margin is 50 or 150. If you 150, you can see this is now closer, and if you get 350, 250, now you can see this is like that. Now if you click here and styles, you can click on if you click here and in the advanced, you just need to click on position and click on absolute. If you select your position absolute, you can drag and drop your item anywhere. So I would like to add here in the top, you can see this is like that here, and I would like to add here and here. If you click here, and I would like to add some paddings, for example 3, no, this is not too much, and now this is looking very nice. Now you can see I have added this here, and this is looks like that. Now if I want to add some more images, for example this one, and if you click here, and I would like to add some more styling, for example, and if you want to click here, and here you can see this is like that. Now I would like to add some more settings here. So if I click here, and in that I would like to add some transform and rotate, for example. If you hover, for example hover effect, I would like to add offset, for example offset X, and here you can see offset 5, and here, and if you transition duration, I would like to add some scale, for example if you want to scale it, for example I would like to add 1.5. Here you can see there are some scaling effects, you can do that, but I would like to add this style for now. Now I would like to add this image, for example this one, and same like that we are going to add another image in there, and here I would like to add an image, and here in image, and in that image I would like to upload this icon image, and I have already downloaded this icon image. So for example this one, I would like to add this one here. Now I would like to insert this, and same like that I will select here. In that I will select full and styles. In the styles and advanced, just click on position and absolute. Now you can see this is like that. Now I would like to add here. So here is the image here, for example here and here. So if you want to increase or decrease the size of this image, you can do that like that. And here I would like to add some more styling and transforms and mouse effects. If you want to mouse effect, mouse mask, opposite, direct, and here you can see there is mouse effect is added. So if your mouse will over there, and it will be like that. So if you opposite it, now you can see it will be opposite. If you want to decrease the speed, you can see we can decrease the speed. For example if you want to add 3 speed, you can see speed is now less. If you like that, I would like to add another image. This is like that. This image is not appearing to you, but I would like to show you this image. So in that case we would like to add another image, and in the image I would like to upload this image, and here is another image, sorry this one. Now I would like to insert this. Now you can see this is like that, but there is difference, and here just like that advance, and click on transform, sorry layout, and in the layout just click on position and absolute. Now it's above, and I would like to add here, and as well as I would like to decrease the size because this is much than we need. Now it was in the background, so just click here, and in the Z index you just click here and write 0, and if it's not, just click on 4 or -1. So -1 is background, and -2 minus 3 and 0 and this one is 0. And if you click here, and for that we need to change the z index is 1. Now you can see this z index is 0 and this z index is 1. Now because this one is this one should be in the background. Now if you click here 0, and I would like to add some styling here because like that. So I will just click on transform, motion effects, and mouse effect. I will select 3D tile, and here you can see there you can see we can do that, as well as we can add this style. Now I would like to add like that, and now z index should be changed to 1. Now you can see this is in background. Now if you click here, and in that row we need to update the z index should be 4. Now it is now above than, for example, this is not a row here, and the z index should be 5. Here you can see now it is above. Now it is how it looks like, and it's how z index works. And if you go there, and we need this text, and just copy that text, and I would like to add this text, and here, and just like that I would like to change the color to white, and as well as we need two buttons, and I would like to add an intersection, and here is the intersection, and in the intersection we need 2 buttons. So I would like to copy this button because I have already created, and here I will just copy and paste this, and after that I will say join free for free is the text, and join for free and another text is learn more. So I will just copy that, duplicate that, and add it here, and here is learn more and more, but this background color should be transparent, and I will just go there, and in that I would like to select this and transparent, and in the border color we need to add some of borders to that. So border type is solid, and width should be 2. Now you can see border is now, if you want to add 1, you can see this is 1 now. So here you can see, and here is, so if you want to make it closer, so if you click here and click here, and if you want to make it align right, now you can see this is aligned right. Now this is how. And if you want to add some margin, I would like to add margin right 30 or 20. Now you can see this is bit similar. So if you update this, and after updating that, let me preview it into our real browser, and let's see how it looks like. Now the one thing that is not working, the thing is the background. So I will just go back, and in that style, and the style in the background I would shirt full, and position should be cover. Now in the position, attachment should be repeat not, and display size should be cover, and update this, and now refresh this, and let's see how it looks like. Now you can see it is now looking very nice. Now you can see the background color is very nice, and this is also working now. So but this size is more, so I would like to decrease this because it's not looking nice now, and here I would like to decrease this size because it was not looking nice. Upload this, and let's see that. Now you can see our section is ready, and now you can see everything is working very fine. Now everything is designed properly and looking very nice. So this is how it works, and this is how you can convert any Canva design into WordPress. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.